radio commercial, plus tremendous community support, added up to a $10,000 award for the Newton High School Sound Factory recently. The Newton Band Program was one of 3 winners of the Great Atlanta Band Challenge competition, sponsored by Witherite Law Group and Atlanta radio station Magic 107.5 FM. According to Sound Factory band director Jason Smith, a student brought the contest to his attention. The only requirements were to submit a video and brief explanation of how the money could help the school's band program. Smith was in, and soon the Newton Sound Factory was selected as one of 10 finalists. The public was then given a chance to vote for their favorite band, and the Newton County community came out in full force to support their namesake band. With 83,000 votes, the Newton Sound Factory placed 3rd in the contest, qualifying them for one of the 3 monetary awards. Needless to say, Smith was blown away by the support.
That's amazing. That's amazing. It's great to be in a community, in a district where no matter what school you go to, it's really one Newton. That made us feel like it was really one Newton, and everybody just kind of got behind us and submitted those votes and helped us get to the top 3.
School principal Dr. Shannon Buff said the outpouring of support filled her heart with joy.
It was a huge outpouring of support, not just from the Newton High School community, but the Newton County community at large. It was really great to see the other schools retweeting and really supporting our band program, especially the other high schools. You know, we're rivals sometimes on Friday nights and Thursday nights during basketball season and other games, but they really got behind our band program and supported them, and it was really, really a wonderful thing. Joy, that's about the only thing I can say to describe what happened here today is joy.
According to Smith, the monetary award was a much-needed boost for their program.
It means a whole lot. We plan on doing some traveling. That was going to help with traveling. Even before the pandemic, it was kind of hard to travel with the full band because a lot of kids just couldn't afford it. So that is really going to help with some traveling. We also need some equipment for the band. And it's just, I don't have to, some things is I don't have to worry about where, you know, if a kid is going to have reeds, or if a kid is going to have a mouthpiece or valve, or we can get all of those supplies for the band now.
And that's exactly why Adewale Odetunde of Witherite Law Group said his firm sponsored the contest.
For us, it's important for us to meet the needs of the community, wherever that may be. So if it's in the band, if it's the turkey giveaway that we do, if it's the back to school drive, we try to fill the needs of the communities that we're in, because we actually want to be parts of these communities. We want to give back, we want to support in any way that we can.
To show their appreciation for the award and recognition, the Newton Sound Factory performed a short concert for law firm and radio station representatives before they were officially presented the check for $10,000. Congratulations to the Newton High School Sound Factory, and a special thank you to all of the students and employees of Newton County Schools, and also the residents of Newton County who voted for the band to win this monetary award. After all, we are one Newton.